Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, we are going to install a free plugin for the stock management in WooCommerce. This free plugin will help you manage the inventory of all the products into a single dashboard. Let me show you the example of the stock management. Here we have different products and we want to manage the inventory of all these products. So if you want to change the inventory, you can change the inventory of any product from the single dashboard. So you don't need to go to each product and you don't need to manage the inventory from each product page. You can do it from a single dashboard. Let's see, I have this product and current stock of this product is 10. I want to change the inventory, so I can simply click on it. I can change the number of quantity and click set, and now it will be set to 9. You can also manage the sale price as well as the purchase price of all the products from the single dashboard. This is the regular price of this particular product. This will be a sale price. If you want to change the sale price, you can change it from here. And you can also add the purchase price of this particular product, and you will see the gross profit on this product. So all that you can see is on the single dashboard. Now let me show you the current status of this product. If I go to this product page, you will see 10 quantities in stock. Now we have changed the stock to 9. Let me save it and let's refresh it. Now you will see the stock quantity of this product is changed to 9. You can also add the suppliers and you can also create purchase orders for the supplier. Now if you are buying this product from this supplier, you can mention that here. So you will see the supplier of all these products. If the product is going to be out of stock, you can contact the supplier and you can create a purchase order from the dashboard. So let's see how we can manage the inventory in WooCommerce using the free plugin.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website and we are using WooCommerce on this website. Now we are going to install a free plugin for the inventory management in WooCommerce. So let's go to dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new. Now here search for WooCommerce inventory and you will see the first plugin here, that is ATUM WooCommerce inventory management and stock tracking. So this is the plugin that we are going to install. Click on install now. Click on activate. Alright, so the plugin has been activated. The WooCommerce does have its own stock management. Let me show you. If I go to WooCommerce and go to reports, you can go to stock. And from here you can see which products are low in stock, which are out of stock, and which are most stocked. So this is the default WooCommerce stock management system that you can use. However, this is pretty basic. Now let's go to ATUM inventory. So this is the dashboard of this plugin and you will see the sales, lost sales, orders, promo sales. Now first we will need to enable the stock management on each product. Now let me show you how you can enable the stock management on individual product. You can also enable on all the products at the same time. So let's go to products and click on all products. Now let's go to this product, click on edit. Now if you scroll down, you will see the option here, inventory. And you need to enable this stock management and you can enter the number of products in the stock. So let's consider we have 12 items of this product and we have enabled the stock management for this product. Let's click on update. Alright, now let's go back to the ATUM dashboard and here you can go to stock central. On the stock central, you will see that only one item has the stock management enabled and all the other items do not have the stock management enabled. Now, if you want to manage the stock of this particular item, you can simply click on it. And from here, if you want to change the stock quantity, then you can change from here. And once you change it, click on save. So this item has 10 quantities. Now, if you want to enable the stock management on all the products, you can simply select all the products. Let's uncheck this one because we already have it enabled. Go to bulk actions and click on enable WC's manage stock and click on apply bulk action. Alright, now you can see that the stock management for all the products is enabled. Now from here you can add the quantity of that particular product in the stock. So let's consider I have 5 quantities. Click set. For this one I have 6 Whatever quantity you have, you can mention that here. And once you make changes, you can simply click on save. Now you can see the current stock of all these products. You can also mention the sale price as well as the purchase price of these products from the single dashboard. Let's consider this product. We have the regular price of $9.95. You can change it from here. This is the regular price, and the sale price, let's consider it is $9. You can set it. If you want to change the sale date, you can change the sale date from here. Purchase price, let's consider you bought this product at $6. Let's save it, and you will see that the gross profit on this product is 33%. Now you can also set a low stock threshold for this particular item. Let's say as soon as it comes down to 2 items in the stock, you can send notification to the owner that this product is soon going to be out of stock. Let's click save. Similarly, for this product, you can set the sale price here. Let's say I want to set $120. Purchase price is around $100, and low stock threshold will be 2. Click set. We can also add the suppliers, and we can also create the purchase order using this plugin. Let me first save this. Now you can see the gross profit on this particular product. Now let's go back to this particular product for which we have changed the pricing, and let me refresh it, and you will see the changes here. This is the sale price and this is the purchase price. So you don't need to go to each product and do it manually. You can change the pricing directly from this particular dashboard, and you can manage the inventory from this single dashboard. If I go to view product, you will see the updates here. This is the sale price. Right now, let's go to settings, and under settings you will see the general settings of this plugin, stock quantity, decimals, and these are the basic settings. You can simply go through these settings and you will see the options to change. Let's go to store details. Here you can enter the store details such as your company name, your tax number, address line, city, zip code. Let's go to advanced. Under advanced, you will see the calculated properties, cron, delete data when uninstalling. So I don't think you need to make any changes here. Let's go to modules. Under modules, you will see dashboard, stock central. These are the modules you will see here. Purchase order, supplies, add-ons. If I go to dashboard, let's open the dashboard. And on the dashboard, you will see sales, lost sales, orders. Everything will be shown on the single dashboard. Go to stock central. Now here you will see in stock, out of stock, back orders, restock status, and unmanaged by WC. So these options are also available if you want to filter the products according to their inventory status. Let's go back to settings, stock central. And these are the available columns for the stock central. You will see the columns here, SKU, supplier. If you do not want any one of these columns, you can simply uncheck that option and it will not show the column. Products per page is 20, so we have 20 products in a single table. You can increase that quantity from here. Days to reorder, expandable rows, visual settings. Under visual settings, you will see the color mode. You can use dark mode. Let's try this dark mode. And this is how it will look. Save the changes. Let's go back and refresh it. And here you will see the dark mode. Let's go to tools. So these are the tools. You can see different settings for these tools: manage stock, unmanaged stock. Let's go to add-ons. Under add-ons, you will see different add-ons that you can buy. This plugin has a pro version, so you need to buy a pro version for this one. Purchase orders pro, action logs, export pro, multi-inventory, product levels, ATUM mobile app. This shows coming soon. Now here you can go to suppliers. And if you have suppliers for these products, you can add suppliers in the dashboard. Try adding one supplier here. Let's name it as ABC supplier. Whatever name of your supplier, you can add that here. Supplier code, if you want to add code, you can add code. Tax number, VAT number, phone number, fax number. So these are all settings for the supplier. This is the billing information. and you can add the billing information from here. Let's publish it. So we have got one supplier. I have not added the details of this supplier. Let's add one more, and let's create a new one, XYZ supplier. So here you can see that we have created two different suppliers. Let's go back to Stock Central, refresh it. And if you want to assign a supplier for this product, you can simply go here, click on it, and from the drop down you can select the supplier ABC, and you will see the supplier here. Set it, and this product is managed by this supplier. Let's consider XYZ. This is the supplier. Set it, and this product is managed by this particular supplier. Now let's click on save. Sometimes you may not like the dark mode. If you want to change the color settings, you can do that also. Let's go back to settings again. Go to visual settings. If you want to add the colors manually, you can add the colors manually from here. Right, so I'm going to change it to branded mode and click save changes. Now if you want to create purchase orders, you can simply go to purchase orders, and you can create different types of purchase orders here. Let's click on add new purchase order, and here you can create a purchase order for particular suppliers. Let's consider ABC supplier. For this supplier you can create a purchase order, purchase date, status, pending, ordered, receiving, received. So all these purchase orders you can manage from here. Now let's go to inbound stock, and here you will see the inbound stock for your products. It depends on the purchase order. So if you create the purchase order, you will see the inbound stock also. So this is how you can install a free plugin for the stock management in WooCommerce. This is a central dashboard. You don't need to go to each product and change the inventory for each product manually. You can use this single dashboard and you can manage the inventory from this single dashboard. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.